Hey there, guys. This is KH Adventures. So anyways, I don't think I showed you guys this tool I got for scanning my car. It's that product right there. Scanner. Comes with a nice hard case. Yeah, it's on my hobby bench. I do like cars. So, anyways. So, there you have it. Scanner. For what I paid for it, I think it's a very good option. It does everything I wanted to do, hopefully. I still haven't got into the real gist of it yet, but I've used it, the car, and it comes with an instruction manual, how to set it up. Of course, it does come with a subscription for it. I think you have to pay like once a year, but it comes with a 1-year subscription on it anyway. I like the case. It's pretty nice because this is a well, it wasn't that expensive really. It was like $600, but if it helps you fix your car and you don't have to take it to a dealership or another mechanic, then you're better off, right? So I'll just set it up here and I'll show you some of the data, what I figured out on my car. But I mean, until you really figure it out totally, it's kind of hard to say, right? I mean, I had my little palm reader, the small one, and of course the car said it was running lean. Of course we know that, and it had a couple other codes, but we're still not definite on what it is really exactly yet. Like there's other codes. There's old codes on the car, which was a code already was a P0 300, and then the lean code, but. Hey! Cats are brats. Oh yeah, so. I just want to show you the information that actually stores the information. It doesn't. I don't have an SD card on it, but it stores the information of your vehicle on here. Vehicle history. I better let my cats in because they're gonna play around with everything, trying to get in. So yeah, so it records your information and such, and you can go through it and you can do all sorts of different things with this thing. Of course, this is the cheaper model of the scanner, and this is the MX or MS 800 series. It also covers other series too, but yeah, so it gives you lots of things you can do with it. Tons and tons of material you guys can figure out. There's lots of videos about this. I learned about this through skull diggers, or skull rod dingers, or something like that. And also, there's lots of information about this scanner on YouTube. So here's the information about the car. There's all sorts of these things here. I don't know why I downloaded some of these things, but it just is what it is. It just tells you information about your car. So here are the codes that are on it right now. So, random multiple cylinder misfire detected. And these are all, because they're current, pending. There's also permanent. This one here and this one here. So these are not solved yet. pending, so we don't know what the problem is. So I don't know. System running to lean bank 1. Well, we'll have to figure that out. But at least it tells you. So, I mean, this is a permanent one. Permanent value, which is, I don't know why, because it's been deleted and it's still in the system. But yeah, so, I don't know. We're going to have to figure it out and see what's going on there. Like I said before, I think with all this modern stuff, one sensor points to many sensors, right? And if there's one sensor that's off, it knocks everything out. So I'm just learning this as I go along here and getting information. That's really doing something. So, anyways, guys, yeah. So there you have it. What we're gonna do with our car is I can go back here. I'll have to get rid of this stuff here. There's 8 records. Don't need all these records. Delete them. Let me keep that one. Just want to read it. I don't think there's anything different about it. So, same as the other one. Oh, I may just delete the information. So, I don't know, it's fine. So basically what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to, well, I mean, this is already in the system, so we can delete this one here too, actually, to be fair. Get rid of that. I have the protective screen on here, so it's not really picking up my fingerprints that well. But anyways, we have that one on there. So, go back. Home. So there's many things you can do with it. I mean, I have not figured out everything out yet with it yet, but we're gonna figure things out as we go. And yeah, so stay tuned for more updates with our car. I'm gonna go through this and try to figure it out and go from there. But at the current time, I'm not making any money, and it's really difficult to do my business if the car is not running. So. We're expecting to get some parts tomorrow. Waiting for the upstream O2 sensor, oxygen sensor, and well, I'm not sure if it's called an O2 sensor, but it's called the upstream upstream air fuel sensor, to be correct. So, well, and basically what we're going to do with the car is we're going to disconnect the negative cable and press on the brakes so it drains all the electronics out of the car, and then we'll put in the sensor and then hook up the battery, and then we'll start from fresh and see how that goes. So this is what I've learned anyway. Alright guys, thanks for watching my video, and if you have any questions, well, you probably won't because no one ever asks any questions on my videos anyway. But give me a thumbs up and subscribe. All right. Thanks for watching.